Hi guys, my name is Dr. Paul Robinson. I'm a chiropractic specialist here at Paragon Chiropractic in Bloomfield Hills, Michigan. And what I want to talk to you briefly about today is problems with indigestion, gas, bloating, something that we see a lot of here at Paragon. We see patients that come in that have a lot of digestive disturbances. So what we do to treat this is we treat the thoracic and the lumbar spine chiropractically. We look for any sort of neurological interference. A lot of the nerves that come out of this area in the spine help control digestion. We also pay attention to the upper cervical spine, especially the atlas. That's what has a huge impact on your vagus nerve, which is one of the major communication highways between your enteric or your digestive nervous system and your brain. In addition to this, what I put a lot of my patients on is a product from Standard Process called Zypan. Zypan is a digestive enzyme that helps with protein breakdown in the stomach and can help you avoid that putrefaction or that gas buildup that causes you to be bloated, feel lethargic. And basically what this does is help speeds up that digestive process, makes it a little bit easier, especially as you age. Usually after about the age of 30, 40, you tend to produce a little less enzymes with aging, and this product can actually really help with that process and keep that digestion a little bit easier. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and we'll see you soon.